Hello everyone, Habibi here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to introduce my free Unity package. I call it free Unity mobile FPS shooting game package. It is free, you can download it, and the link will be in the description of this video. The package is going to help you if you want to create a mobile game, FPS mobile game, and it will look like this. You have zombies over there and they are running, chasing over you, and you can pick those pistols up and pick again to add ammo. Here you have ammunition. Pick it again to add ammunition, and the zombies are working based on knife mesh engine component. Somehow they detect colliders, so they will go like this. And then of course you can shoot the zombie by pressing this button. You have the health bar of the zombie. Oh, you are falling down. And here you have a jump button, run button, crouch button. You will find the weapon setting here, pistol setting, bullet count, and the first person controller here, and weapon system. Yeah, you can play around with those scripts. They are all available inside this Unity package. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you soon on my next videos. Bye bye. Oops.